Did you know that compressed air is likely one of your shop's highest energy expenses? However, updating your air piping system could dramatically cut these costs. Let's talk about how your compressed air system might be draining your profits and what you can do about it. Think of your air piping system like a highway. It needs the right number of lanes, pipe diameter, and a streamlined route to work efficiently. Just like a highway that loops around a city is often most efficient, a closed loop ring, main, or header typically works best for compressed air systems. When it comes to choosing materials, you've got four main options: black iron, copper, plastic, and aluminum. Black iron pipe may seem attractive due to its low initial cost, but don't be tricked. It's actually the most expensive over time for your shop. Internal corrosion can start after just 6 months of installation, leading to leaks and increasing your energy costs. Copper pipe may be your best bet, as it offers excellent corrosion resistance and smooth airflow. That means your compressor doesn't have to work as hard. However, it is expensive and requires skilled labor with specialized tools for installation. Plastic pipe use is declining, and for good reason. Some systems have literally exploded, creating obvious safety hazards. Even the Plastic Pipe Institute recommends against using PVC in compressed air systems. Aluminum pipe has become increasingly popular over the last decade. This may be because it resists corrosion, offers low air friction, and is easy to install without special tools or open flames. Plus, your shop staff can install it, and you can easily move it if needed. Are you looking for ways to optimize your current system? Make sure it's properly sized for peak operation, including any future expansion plans. Don't forget about air treatment components like condensate control, filtration, and pressure regulation. And pay special attention to connections. One leaky coupler could cost you hundreds in utility bills annually. For your shop's safety and efficiency, consider using venting action safety quick couplers to prevent dangerous hose whip. Self-coiling hoses or retracting hose reels can keep your work area safer and more efficient by keeping hoses off the floor. Investing a little more upfront in quality components can lead to significant savings over time. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.